Crash Course on Political Science, International Relations and Globalization. Discover the complexities of international relations and globalization, and the challenges they pose. Political science is the study of government, politics, and political behavior. It encompasses topics such as democracy, political theory, comparative politics, and international relations, which is the study of how countries interact with each other. Globalization refers to the increasing interconnectedness of the world through economic, political, and cultural exchanges. International relations and globalization are closely intertwined. The global economy, for example, is shaped by international trade agreements and the movement of capital across borders. Diplomacy and international law are used to resolve conflicts and maintain peace between nations. Globalization has also led to the spread of ideas and cultural exchange, as people from different parts of the world are more interconnected than ever before. However, these topics also pose significant challenges. For example, conflicts can arise when countries have different political systems or competing interests. The use of economic sanctions and military force can have unintended consequences, and globalization can lead to the exploitation of workers and the environment in less developed countries. One example of the complexities of international relations is the ongoing conflict in Syria. The conflict began in 2011 when peaceful protests against the government were met with violent crackdowns. Since then, the conflict has escalated into a full-scale civil war involving various factions, including the Syrian government, rebel groups, and foreign powers such as Russia and the United States. Another example is the 2008 financial crisis, which had far-reaching effects on the global economy. The crisis was triggered by a housing bubble in the United States, which eventually led to a global credit crunch and recession. The crisis demonstrated the interconnectedness of the global economy and the risks of deregulation and uncontrolled speculation. Top 12 Popular International Relations and Globalization Accounting. 1. Realism, a theory that emphasizes the importance of power and self-interest in international relations. 2. Liberalism, a theory that emphasizes the importance of cooperation and institutions in international relations. 3. Constructivism, a theory that emphasizes the role of ideas, norms, and culture in shaping international relations. 4. Marxism, a theory that emphasizes the role of economic factors and class struggle in shaping international relations. 5. Feminism, a theory that emphasizes the role of gender and patriarchy in shaping international relations. 6. Globalization, the increasing interconnectedness of the world through economic, political, and cultural exchanges. 7. International law, a set of rules and norms that govern the behavior of states and other international actors. 8. Diplomacy, the practice of conducting negotiations and maintaining relationships between states. 9. Human rights, the protection of basic rights and freedoms that all individuals are entitled to. 10. Security studies, the study of the use of military force and the prevention of conflict. 11. Environmentalism, the protection of the environment and the sustainable use of natural resources. 12. Development studies, the study of economic and social development in less developed countries. In summary, political science, specifically international relations and globalization, is a complex and fascinating field. The interconnectedness of the world presents both opportunities and challenges, and the study of these topics requires an understanding of diverse perspectives and theories. Whether we are discussing the ongoing conflict in Syria, the global financial crisis, or the role of institutions and norms in shaping international relations, it is clear that this field will continue to be relevant and important for years to come. And now, as requested, a poem on this topic. Globalization and International Relations. A world ever-changing, full of innovations. But with progress comes challenges too. Conflicts and crises, what should we do? From realism to feminism, theories abound. Each with its own perspective, each profound. Marxism speaks of class struggle and power. Constructivism looks to Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.